Welcome to the Minneapolis College Aircraft Maintenance Technician Information Session. Today we'll be going over the background of the program, information on Minneapolis College, and specific program details. The background of the Aircraft Maintenance Technician program traces in history to World War II, where it prepared mechanics to work at Northwest Airlines Modification Center at Holman Field, where aircraft were altered for a variety of military duties. Then in 2013, we began a partnership with Delta Airlines and Endeavor Air. We received a grant award from the Minnesota Department of Employment and Economic Development to relocate the program to the facilities at Delta. The Aircraft Maintenance Technician program prepares students to perform extensive services on all types of aircraft, repairs, and detailed inspections. This also meets the Federal Aviation Administration (FAA) standards. The program covers content and provides required clock hours in preparation of taking the FAA's Airframe and Power Plant A&P license exam. Now we're going to go into Minneapolis College information. Minneapolis College is very affordable. General education courses are $185.20 per credit as of right now. We have over 100 programs with flexible scheduling and small class sizes, 25:1 student to faculty ratio. We have over 9,000 full and part-time students, and our campus is very diverse. We have over 80 languages spoken on campus, and the ages range from right out of high school or some that are still in high school up through senior citizens. Our programs are divided into schools. We have School of Business and Economics, School of Design and the Arts, School of Education and Public and Human Services, School of Information Technology, School of Liberal Arts and Culture, School of Nursing, Health Science and Wellness, School of Science and Math, and School of Trade Technology. The Aircraft Maintenance program falls under Trade Technologies. Minneapolis College has several resources available to you. We do have tutors available. We have a career services that will help you write resumes, and they have a job bank to search for jobs. Accessibility Resource Center if you need accommodations, academic advising to help you with registration, and a student support center and a health center on our campus. Minneapolis College tuition and fees. Course tuition with fees added per credit. General education courses are $185.20 per credit. Online courses is $204.90 per credit. Nursing courses are $219.30 per credit. And then the aircraft and cinema courses are $262.55 per credit. How to get started. Step number 1, apply online and pay the $20 application fee. We do accept NACAC fee waivers anytime. Step number 2, complete course readiness assessment by taking the AccuPlacer and scoring a 250 or higher in reading and a 260 or higher in math, or ACT scores within the last 5 years, 18 or higher in the English, 21 or higher in the reading, and 22 or higher in math. Or SAT scores, 480 or higher in the ERW, and 530 or higher in math. Or the MCA scores, 1047 reading only, 1148, 1150, or 1158 in math. And we also accept advanced placement exam scores. You need a 3 or higher. Step number 3, sign up for your courses in eServices. Registration sessions are available if you want assistance. Step number 4, apply for FAFSA and pay for your courses. Ways to pay for college. There's federal and state aid, grants, loans, student employment. You apply at www.fasfa.gov, and there are FAFSA help sessions available if you need help with the process. Scholarships, if you go to www.minneapolis.edu/scholarships, there will be a list of scholarships there. And tuition reimbursement, if your employer is willing to help you with your tuition, that's another great way to pay for college. And payment plan. Now we're going to go into the aircraft maintenance technician program details. The aircraft maintenance program offers 2 award options. The Associate of Applied Science degree for 104 credits. 15 of those credits are general education. The rest of the 89 credits are actual aircraft program classes. The diploma for 98 credits. And again, 9 credits are for general education, and the other 89 credits are for the actual aircraft courses. Program start and location. The program starts once a year in the summer, runs 7 continuous semesters, summer, fall, and spring. Courses are scheduled in blocks, taken in sequential order. Classes and labs scheduled Monday through Thursday, 8:30 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. with a lunch break. Classes are held at the Delta Airlines site at Minneapolis St. Paul International Airport, Building C, 7500 Airline Drive. How and what you will learn. In a combination of lectures and hands-on lab, you will learn service, repair, and overhaul all aspects of aircraft system structures and engines to ensure safety, airworthiness conditions, and proper operations. Assess information on specifications, diagnostics, and troubleshooting techniques according to manufacturer's manuals, Federal Aviation Regulations, FARs, and Code of Federal Regulations, CFRs. You'll also be learning team building and communication techniques, as well as decision making and deductive reasoning skills. Estimated program costs. Program tuition and fees are $262.55 per credit. The program is eligible for financial aid for qualified students. Additional approximate costs include books for $350, or if you do online books, it's free through the FAA. Tools, $1,000. FAA licensure exam, $1,000. Facility tours. There is a 45-minute faculty-led tour of the Delta Airlines facilities at Minneapolis St. Paul International Airport. The tours provide an opportunity for you to see the work area and to learn more about the program training. The next tour dates are not available yet, but you can watch our website at minneapolis.edu under academics, and then School of Trade Technology, and then aircraft maintenance technician. The aircraft program has a wait list. We have more interested students than the program has space to accommodate. Because of this, we have a wait list, meaning students can be admitted to the college but must complete other steps and wait to see if they can get in for the next upcoming program admissions. To be placed on the wait list, you need to apply to the college and select aircraft program as your major, place into college level reading and writing, and place into Intro to Algebra, Math 70. While on the wait list, we encourage you to complete at least 9 credits of general education. Questions. Here is some contact information if you have questions. You can reach me, Julie Nicholas, at julie.nicholas@minneapolis.edu, or you can call me at 612-659-6205. For academic advising, you can contact Mary Schmidt at mary.schmidt@minneapolis.edu. The faculty contact is Keith Norton, and you can reach him by email at keith.norton@minneapolis.edu. And if you plan on using military benefits, you can contact Renee Cannon at renee.cannon@minneapolis.edu. Thank you. And to find out more information regarding the aircraft program or any other program at our college, go to minneapolis.edu.